量词
Measure word.
Measure word. How do you say a diamond in Chinese?
一颗钻石，一颗钻石，一颗钻石。
How do you say a group of boys in Chinese?
一组男生，一组男生，一组男生。
How do you say a lamp in Chinese?
一盏灯，一盏灯，一盏灯。
How do you say a toilet in Chinese?
一间厕所，一间厕所，一间厕所。
How do you say a sum of money in Chinese?
一笔钱，一笔钱，一笔钱。
How do you say a school in Chinese?
一所学校，一所学校，一所学校。
How do you say a married couple in Chinese?
一对夫妇，一对夫妇，一对夫妇。
How do you say a hair in Chinese?
一根头发，一根头发，一根头发。
How do you say a pile of garbage in Chinese?
一堆垃圾，一堆垃圾，一堆垃圾。
How do you say a painting in Chinese?
一幅画，一幅画，一幅画。
How do you say a mirror in Chinese?
一面镜子，一面镜子，一面镜子。
How do you say a computer in Chinese?
一台电脑，一台电脑，一台电脑。
How do you say a box of chocolate in Chinese?
一盒巧克力，一盒巧克力，一盒巧克力。
How do you say a tree in Chinese?
一棵树，一棵树，一棵树。
How do you say a letter in Chinese?
一封信，一封信，一封信。
How do you say a plate of noodles in Chinese?
一盘面条，一盘面条，一盘面条。
How do you say a pair of glasses in Chinese?
一副眼镜，一副眼镜，一副眼镜。
How do you say a lump of dough in Chinese?
一团面团，一团面团，一团面团。
How do you say a flower in Chinese?
一朵花，一朵花，一朵花。
How do you say a bouquet of flowers in Chinese?
一束花，一束花，一束花。
How do you say a foreign language in Chinese?
一门外语，一门外语，一门外语。
How do you say a meal in Chinese?
一顿饭，一顿饭，一顿饭。
How do you say a newspaper in Chinese?
一份报纸，一份报纸，一份报纸。
How do you say a pot of tea in Chinese?
一壶茶，一壶茶，一壶茶。
How do you say an airplane in Chinese?
一架飞机，一架飞机，一架飞机。
How do you say a train in Chinese?
一列火车，一列火车，一列火车。
How do you say a row of chairs in Chinese?
一排椅子，一排椅子，一排椅子。
How do you say a peanut in Chinese?
一粒花生，一粒花生，一粒花生。
How do you say a bag of rice in Chinese?
一包米，一包米，一包米。
How do you say a jar of jam in Chinese?
一罐果酱，一罐果酱，一罐果酱。
How do you say a roll of toilet paper in Chinese?
一卷卫生纸，一卷卫生纸，一卷卫生纸。
How do you say a door in Chinese?
一扇门，一扇门，一扇门。
How do you say a box of shredded paper in Chinese?
一箱碎纸，一箱碎纸，一箱碎纸。
How do you say a drop of water in Chinese?
一滴水，一滴水，一滴水。